guys, so really quickly, I was going to show you how you can actually make your assignment or show it or anything you want to be gradable in Buzz, how to make that gradable. So what you're going to do is you're going to go onto your Buzz account and you're going to log in. You're going to click Use as a Teacher. You're going to go to whatever assignment or whatever subject you're on, so I'll just do language. You're going to click this little pencil, which is the editor, and it pulls up all of your lessons. So for one thing, if there's lessons you don't want or folders you might not want for the kids to see, that's what this red eye with the slash over it is. If it's not red, then that means that's what your students will see. If it's red, it is hidden from your students. They cannot see it. So say I'm going to go to lesson 1. No. So let me go to a lesson from today. Okay, so say you go to this show it, and I want to make it gradable. The first thing you're going to do is click the pencil to that show it where you can edit it. And this is the screen that pulls up. You're going to click settings. I'm going to click settings. This is the screen that pulls up. If you want to make a due date, you can, and that will show up on there to do when the student screen pops up. But if you want to make it gradable, you need to click this activity is gradable. Now, it is important when you click this that if you want them to be able to submit anything, you have to put single document. The only reason mine pulled up automatically is because I already had this setting on earlier. Normally, it'll automatically pop up as none, which means the student cannot submit anything anywhere. You have to click single document if you want your student to be able to submit a document, whether it is a picture, a PDF file, anything like that. If you want to do notes only, where your students could type their answers in a text box, you would click notes only. I always do single document so my kids can send a picture or upload the PDF themselves to the assignment. I just did this as 10 points, but you can put however many points you want, yada, yada. And then you just click save. I hope that helped anyone trying to figure out how to make assignments gradable. Thanks.